Hi everybody! We pray that you and your loved ones are healthy and safe during this difficult time. Like so many of you, we never expected to face a pandemic like this on a global scale. This virus has no boundaries, and every day more people all over the world are being impacted by this crisis. But today I want to talk with you a little bit about the crisis that is happening beyond the virus. Children are stuck in homes with their abusers, and the need for safe havens is more important than ever. Many who were already struggling to provide food for their families have lost all of their income. They're hungry and feeling hopeless. The Honduran health system, which is already so fragile due to ongoing and widespread corruption, simply does not have the ability to respond in a viable capacity in the midst of a pandemic. In the larger cities, workers are feeling desperate and beginning to protest in the streets, defying stay-at-home orders to gain the attention of the government in hopes of receiving some kind of provision for their families. The United States is deporting children in overwhelming numbers, and we have been forced to open a fourth home in order to receive and care for these children. Even though we are taking every precaution, with each new child that enters our care, our staff is scared about how the virus could affect them, how it could affect their families and the other children that we care for. Legacy of Hope is facing financial uncertainty as our emergency measures to purchase extra food, medicine, protective equipment, to pay transportation for our workers who no longer have access to public transportation, and overtime for staff who are covering shifts of those who are unable to work. But compounding our concerns is the reality that the already poor Honduran economy is collapsing further, putting our government-provided grant money in jeopardy. But I have good news. Hope and help is within our reach. I am so pleased to announce that we have received a generous commitment for a $15,000 matching grant. This will be for our new COVID-19 relief fund. That will double the impact of donations during this critical time. You can help us to continue to provide children with safety, families with food, to invest in our local economy by purchasing the items required to help those children and families in need. We know that many of you, just like us, are facing uncertainty. However, there are ways that everyone can help. First, please take a second to share this opportunity with others or start a fundraising page. All one-time financial gifts will be matched dollar for dollar. Do you know what else is contagious? Hope. And together, we can spread hope as we come alongside children and families all over Honduras.